Greetings, Derek DeBrosse from Munitions Law Group, coming to you from Columbus, Ohio. Munitionsgroup.com. Follow us on social media, and please click the notification button below. Today's question is, I moved from Florida to Maine. My daughter is a felon. Can she get her rights back as we live off grid? This is what's actually very interesting. Most people don't know this. When you're talking about restoration of rights for federal purposes, if you're a felon and that felony is punishable by more than a year in prison, for instance, in Ohio, an F5 is only punishable by exactly 1 year. So you can technically be a felon and own guns under federal law in Ohio. But if it is punishable by more than a year, in most states it is, you have to go to the jurisdiction where the proceedings arose. So if your daughter has a felony from Florida, you now live in Maine, she would have to contact us or a firm that has counsel in Florida. We do have counsel in Florida, Court Bird. He's a great attorney and a state representative in the state of Florida. And we would have to do the restoration process in that state for the federal government to recognize it. So it's a complicated process, sometimes arduous, and sometimes it's just almost impossible depending on how the state is structured. Ohio's a great state. We just have to make an application to the county judge, but most states require a pardon, and that's next to impossible to get sometimes. But please reach out to us. We still like to talk about these issues, and we have been able to come up with creative resolutions in the past. So with that said, things are getting crazy out there. So as always, and I mean this, be safe and carry on.